add mozzarella cheese all over the slices of pre-cooked pasta. Line the bottom with lots of cheese. Then add the sauce. My sauce is very simple, made with tomato sauce, ground beef, peppers, and tomatoes. You can also add parsley and spring onions. I cooked the sauce and seasoned it very well. After finishing the sauce, add 2 large sheets of lasagna noodles, just like this. Cover all the sauce with those lasagna noodles. Then we're going to add in our white sauce. Let's give it a little mix first. This sauce is super simple. I made it with Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, and sour cream. And it smells wonderful. And of course, we have to finish with more mozzarella cheese. This looks super cool already, doesn't it? This recipe is easy and simple. This is special for Sunday lunch to make for your whole family. All right, now we're going to scoop on another layer of our meat sauce. Now you can add chicken or any other type of meat that you like. I know people who like to make it with eggplant. This meat is super seasoned. Add another layer of noodles. And we're going to add the rest of our white sauce. Just like this. Spread everything out very well. The noodle sheet should be underneath the white sauce. All right, now we're going to start closing the lasagna from that last pasta sheet that we added. If you do it in order, the result will be better, so just follow my instructions. This recipe is so tasty and it's really pretty. This is a non-traditional lasagna and it is super tasty. We're going to bake this until the noodles are golden and until our cheese is melted, which will take about 20 minutes. And this is the finished result of our lasagna. Now with the help of a plate, let's gently and carefully remove the lasagna from the pan. Be very careful not to burn yourself. It comes out very quickly. The result is incredible and beautiful. Shall we give it a try? The inside is going to be so tasty. Cut it up and serve it to your family. Look how beautiful and tasty this turned out. Enjoy.